An accident, a fire. Every second counts, but crucial information about the situation on site is often missing. The innovation, automated drone deployments from the control center, ADEL for short, funded by the Federal Ministry of the Interior, developed by the German Aerospace Center, Vodafone and Frequentis, help is now coming from above. Rostock's professional fire brigade is the first to test autonomous drones in real operations. The example, a wildfire in the Rostock Heath. An emergency call reaches the control center. Geo-coordinates from the caller, nothing more. Activated through ASGARD and LifeX, the control center software from Frequentis, the autonomous 5G drone takes off instantly. The system automatically calculates the optimal route, assesses air and ground risks according to regulations, and coordinates digitally with air traffic services. It delivers high-resolution live images directly to the control center and to the emergency vehicles, even before crews arrive. This allows targeted deployment and saves, on average, 7 minutes. The interaction between the control center software from Frequentis, DLR's flight management, and Vodafone's 5G real-time network makes this project unique. ADEL. Assistance from above.